Life isn't perfect, things go wrong all the time. But how do you handle those moments politely and professionally in English? In this video, you'll learn the right phrases to use when dealing with mistakes, delays, misunderstandings, or bad news so you can stay calm, confident, and fluent even when things don't go your way. Situation: a mistake was made. Polite or professional English phrase: I'm really sorry about that. Why it works: shows empathy and responsibility. Situation: you're checking on a problem. Polite or professional English phrase: let me check on that for you. Why it works: sounds helpful and proactive. Situation: a delay happened. Polite or professional English phrase: thanks for your patience. Why it works: keeps the tone positive while acknowledging delay. Situation: something is missing wrong. Polite or professional English phrase: I believe there's been a misunderstanding. Why it works: soft way to address an issue. Situation: something went wrong. Polite or professional English phrase: that's unfortunate. Why it works: neutral and polite acknowledgement. Situation: a correction is needed. Polite or professional English phrase: let me fix that right away. Why it works: quick and confident response. Situation: you need to escalate. Polite or professional English phrase: I'll get someone who can assist you further. Why it works: shows willingness to help. Situation: you can't help immediately. Polite or professional English phrase: I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Why it works: sets clear expectation politely. Situation: a service product failed. Polite or professional English phrase: I understand how frustrating that must be. Why it works: builds trust and shows empathy. Situation: you need more time. Polite or professional English phrase: I just need a moment to sort this out. Why it works: keeps the customer calm. Situation: you need to clarify. Polite or professional English phrase: could you help me understand what happened? Why it works: avoids blame, opens conversation. Situation: you want to apologize formally. Polite or professional English phrase: I apologize for the inconvenience. Why it works: very professional and widely used. Situation: you made a small error. Polite or professional English phrase: that was my oversight. I'll correct it. Why it works: takes ownership politely. Situation: someone is upset. Polite or professional English phrase: let's see what we can do to fix this. Why it works: sounds positive and solution focused. Situation: there's no immediate solution. Polite or professional English phrase: thanks for bringing this to our attention. Why it works: acknowledges the issue and invites dialogue. Problems happen, but the way you respond in English can make all the difference. By using these phrases, you'll sound more calm, professional, and fluent. Whether it's in the workplace, at a store, or even with friends. Let me know in the comments which phrase will you use next time something goes wrong. Like, share and subscribe to English Word Hub, where your English gets stronger, smarter, and smoother every week.